Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, when or wherever you are. Hello, welcome back to another video and welcome back to my channel. It is currently after 11 p.m. Saturday night as I am starting this video, and I am currently waiting for the previous video to finish rendering so I can get that uploaded to YouTube before I get to bed, because it will be going up tomorrow morning. Speaking of which, go check that out if you have not, but if you don't want to watch it, I completely understand. It is that time of the month, and today happened to be one of those days where I literally had to hide in my room because I was in a horrible mood. So we're just going to cross our fingers and hope for the best, and hopefully we'll have a good day. We're going to think positive. We're not going to let the hormones stop me from having a good time. But if worse comes to worse, I could always pick up some chocolate. But do I need it? Probably not. But do I want it? Yes. But other than that, I'm literally not thinking anything about food right now because I still feel full from dinner, and during my period, I'm just not really all that hungry. Like, that pizza was good, but I literally had no appetite, so I'm actually surprised that I ate it all up. So yeah, but anyway, I thought I would come on here and give this video a proper intro, even though this is probably my fourth, maybe fifth attempt trying to take this video. I have been struggling to film for the past couple of days. Happens every time I have my period. But anyway, I'm just gonna wind down for the night, watch a little bit of YouTube, and then get to bed. Thank you for tuning in. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy it. Subscribe if you haven't already, and let's enjoy the day and let's make it a good one. We're gonna think positive. Why am I awake at 12:30 at night? I don't know. You would think I would be in bed sleeping by now, especially during this time of the month when I literally have no energy to do anything, but I'm surprised that I'm even wide awake at this point. But anyway, I just turned my TV off, and then I'm gonna go to bed here shortly. I'll probably watch some YouTube on my phone and then get to sleep. So for real this time, I will check in with you guys in the morning. Good night for now. Good afternoon, everyone. Happy Sunday. It is currently, what time is it? I don't know, but it is 1:09 p.m. Y'all, I do that every time. I try to struggle and see what time it is, and it's always hiding behind something, but whatever. Anyway, I know I am just not picking up the camera, but I took a shower, got dressed, and ready for the day, and that's actually making me feel somewhat better. But I think in today's video, I'm gonna show y'all everything I eat and drink, and I think we're just gonna have a chill day at home. It's the perfect weather for it anyways. It's dreary and rainy, and I don't know if the sun's gonna come out or not, but we'll see how the day goes. And yeah, I don't know how much I'm gonna film today, to be quite honest with you, but regardless, this video is going up tomorrow. So yeah, here is my outfit of the day. I'm wearing my Vegas Golden nightshirt and these denim shorts that I wore yesterday. I know I'm not the only one who wears the same pair of shorts 2 or 3 days in a row, and besides, I didn't do anything yesterday, so they're really not all that dirty, and I took a shower yesterday as well. So yeah, I know I'm not the only one who does that, and it helps me save on laundry, by the way, which I hate doing laundry, but the clothes ain't gonna clean themselves, so I do whatever I can to help me save laundry and make it last, so I don't have to worry about it for a while. I am having some leftover pizza from last night's dinner. So good. I already took one bite out of a piece, as you can see right there. So yeah, I'm gonna watch YouTube while I eat, and I'm looking forward to this. I'm so stinking hungry. Y'all, that pizza was really good, but about an hour after I ate, my stomach started to get really upset, and I had to go to the bathroom really bad. I know it sounds a bit TMI, but sometimes that's just life. maybe I ate too fast because y'all, I freaking devoured it. I was starving. And now I'm feeling okay, and I'm slightly worried about those beans because that was the second or third time my stomach got upset today. So y'all wish me luck. And by the way, in about an hour we gotta go help peel potatoes. Yay for that. Not really. I don't really have an appetite, so that could be why. It's been a little over an hour since I last picked up the camera and talked to you guys, and that is because I haven't really done anything. I've been sitting here just watching YouTube. We got done peeling potatoes a while ago for our dinner. I'm still a little bit worried that my stomach's not gonna agree with me, but I need to eat something, so I'm at least going to anyway, and if my stomach hurts, I'll just go to the bathroom, like I always do. But here's the thing, it wasn't like, I don't know how to describe it, but sometimes that's what happens when you have your period. But luckily it's day 3, and I'm hoping that tomorrow will be even better. And thank goodness I'm not in a horrible mood like I was yesterday, and thank goodness I am not cramping. But today I'm having upset stomach issues here and there, breast tenderness, and some fatigue. So yeah, I don't know if I told you guys this or not, but today we did not have bowling practice. Thank goodness, because honestly I did not feel like going. My stomach's been upset on and off, and I'm just really tired, and I just don't really want to go. So thank goodness. However, I believe we have bowling practice next week, which surely I will be done and off of my period by then. So thank goodness for that. Anyways, I have been sitting here just chilling, watching YouTube, letting my stomach settle from dinner. We had beans and cornbread, but I forgot to show you guys. But if you've had beans and cornbread, surely you get the idea. Just picture it in your head. I know I feel like I didn't record that much today, but regardless, this video is going up tomorrow. But today has been one of those days, and I literally feel like I could fall asleep right now. That's how full and tired I am. Okay guys, here's the deal. I'm really tired to the point where I can barely keep my eyes open. So I think that's going to be it for this video. To be honest, I didn't even want to film today, but I did. At least there's that. So yeah, I am hoping that tomorrow I'm feeling a little bit more human. Let's cross our fingers and hope for the best. When it comes to that time of the month, you never know what to expect, to be honest. So yeah, but anyway, I'm just gonna watch some YouTube and chill and probably not do anything tonight. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. Y'all come back tomorrow. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, or if you even watched it. My videos haven't been getting that much views, but I'm still doing it. And I'm probably still going to do Vlogmas, but I'm thinking I'm going to do that a little bit differently. But we're going to talk about that later, so y'all stay tuned. But anyway, goodbye for now. I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace out. I'm out of here.